top of Mount Hoffman. Mount Hoffman is actually a very nice, very well maintained trail. There's no scrambling involved in any way. You don't even technically need poles, but they'll help if you need them. So it's actually really nice. It's very nice. And then what makes it even more nice is you got all these peaks in view. And then down there we got the Sheep River right there. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, that is Shungalashi, because it's at junction, follow the river up. I believe that's what that is. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. Junction Mountain, either that or it's Junction, or that's Junction, or that. So one of these peaks, I'm gonna have to check on the satellite imagery here, but yeah, I think that's Junction, and then Pyriform, and then Dogtooth. But I don't think we can see Dogtooth right now. But I'll have to check it out.